Hello everyone, today we're going to be drawing a Romero Britto inspired apple. So we're going to start off by drawing the body of our apple. We're going to draw a stretched out N shape on the right, touch that and draw a mirrored shape on the left. We're going to leave the bottom open and just connect that bottom with a straight line. Now we're going to draw the stem of our apple. So at the top, we're going to touch and draw a straight line up. We're going to touch and draw another straight line beside of that, running parallel. And we're going to connect them with a straight line across for the stem of our apple, just like that. Now we're going to add some leaves. It's going to be a curved shape touching the stem, curved shape touching the stem, and we're going to mirror that on the right. Curve, touch the tip, and back to the stem for our second leaf. We're going to add the table running underneath on the right and the left. It'll be behind our apple, that's why it doesn't go in front of our apple, it's in the background. Once you have the apple drawn, you're going to now decorate your apple picture using different lines and shapes. What lines and shapes will you choose to decorate your picture with? Straight lines, wavies, zigzags, dotted. The lines and shapes and decorations are up to you. Have fun with this. Make it your own. It does not have to look like mine. I separated my apple into 3 different sections using 2 straight lines. And in between those sections, I added different patterns and shapes. I added some polka dots, some straight lines, and then I decorated my stem and my leaves as well. On my table, I also separated it into 3 different spaces using 2 straight lines. Added some polka dots. And I added some flowers because Romero Britto uses a lot of flowers in his pieces. And then I added some fun wavy lines. Then I started separating out my background. I used a straight line, some straight lines coming off, another straight line with some horizontal straight lines over here. Then I added a fun little square line to the background and added different patterns and shapes inside of the 2 new spaces that this added. I added some polka dots, some vertical straight lines, and some horizontal straight lines. After you're done decorating your spaces, you're going to color. You can use any colors that speak to you. You do not have to use the same colors I am choosing. What colors will you choose? Will you choose your favorite colors? Make sure that you're carefully coloring and taking your time. What kind of patterns will you add? What kind of decorations will you add as flourishes to your pieces? Take your time and make your piece your own. It does not have to look like mine. Good luck and happy arting. Thank you for watching my video today.